How to connect Google Analytics 4 with Squarespace and Wix. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can connect your Google 4 Analytics account with your Wix account and your Squarespace account. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now first things first, I'm over here on Google Analytics and the domain is called analytics.google.com. So once you come over here, you will be good to go. Then once you come over here, you just simply click on start measuring and basically sign in. So you will basically sign in with your Google account, and since you already created a Google account, you just enter in the name, the details of your account, the property setup, and all of that. So in the names, which is required, you'll just enter in your name of your account that can contain more than one tracking ID. So just enter in your account and you will be good to go. So I'm just simply gonna enter in my name, and once you've entered in the name, just simply come down over to account and data settings. So you just simply check these boxes which one you want. So Google products and services, you want to have like tracking or signals for that, so then you simply click on the button and check it and move on. But if you don't feel like you need these or one of these, then uncheck them and move on. So for now, I'll just simply check all of these boxes and click on next. And then property setup. So over here you have to create a Google's for property to measure your web or app data. So just enter in the property name. So since this is going to be my website, so I'm just simply going to enter in the name of the website, and then we just enter in the time zone and the currency and all of that, and then we just simply click on next. And then we have some business information that can help you tailor your experience by answering these following questions. So business size, I'm just simply going to go with the smaller one. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Basically, check all the boxes if it all applies to you, or check the some of the boxes that you feel like that are you need. So measure customer engagement with your site or app. Sure, I would like to know that. Optimize your site or app experience. Measure data across multiple devices. Optimize my advert costs. Sure. Increase my conversion. Measure content monetization. Analyze my online sales. Yeah. So these are the things that I would need. And then you just simply click on create. And then over here, agree to their terms and services, right? Both of these terms and services, and then just simply click on I accept and your account will be created. So over here, my email, communication. So if you want to receive their emails, then you can check these, but I guess maybe performance suggestions would be nice. So I'll just simply go ahead and check that and click on save. So now we are good to go. So we have created our property. Now all that's left to do is to set up a data stream that can collect your data from your website and help you, enhance it. So choose a platform. So over here you have three options, either a website or Android app or an iOS app, right? Choose whichever one you want. So since we're going to be using analytics to apply it on our websites on Squarespace and Wix, we're going to choose website. And over here, we just enter in the domain of our website. So this is a website that I created earlier, it's a pretty simple one, nothing too crazy. So I'll just simply copy the name, right? Copy the domain, and then go back to over here and just enter in the website URL. All right. I have to remove the HTTPS. There we go. Now just enter in the name of your website. So I'll just copy that, paste that over there, and over here these are the things that Google Analytics is going to be measuring: page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, site searches, video engagement, and file downloads. All right, so these are the things that it's going to be recording or measuring. But if you don't feel like it, you can go ahead and turn these off and individually, and then simply click on save and you're good to go. So once that's done, all you got to do is click on create stream. Then it's gonna load up, and here we go. All right, so we are good to go. Now as you can see, we have our stream set up, but it's still not connected to the website. So for that, what we're gonna do is we can see we have some tagging instructions, or right. So we have Google Tag Manager and Google Tag Site, or G Tag, right? So these are the things that we would need, and we have other applications as well, right? So for Wix, it's a little bit different. So let me just show you. If I come back over here and go into my dashboard of my website, so let's just assume that this is the website that we want, right? So what I'll do is I'll click over here and go to the dashboard of this website. Now, once I'm over here, we are good to go. We can go ahead and move on with the next step. So over here, what you're going to need to do is you're going to come over here onto the left side. You will see you have marketing and SEO, right? If you hover your mouse over marketing and SEO, or you click on this arrow key, right, it's going to drop down this entire menu, and you will see you have marketing integrations, coupons, video maker, and all of that. What we're going to do is we're going to click on marketing integrations, and over here, it's going to open up all these integrations. So we have all these different accounts that we can set up. So we have Google Analytics, Facebook Pixels, Google Tag Manager, Yandex Metrics, Google Ads, and all of that. Now, what we're going to do is we're just simply going to connect over here. Now, I do have to mention that if you're using, Wix account and you want to measure, connect and Google Analytics account with your Wix website, you're going to have a upgraded version of your plan. So for me, I already have it. So I have this pro version, so I can go ahead and connect it, right? So just simply click on connect, and over here, set up a Google Analytics measurement ID or tracking. It's pretty simple. So you can either use the new G4A measuring or ID or GID. So if you don't know where you can find this ID, it's very simple. You can see it over here. This is going to be your stream ID, and this is going to be your measurement ID that starts with the G. All right, simply just copy that and you are good to go. Then once you're back over here, just simply click on add Google Analytics and add in your Google Analytics ID down below. So you add it and click on save, and once that's done, you are good to go, and you will see it will say you are now connected to Google Analytics to your site. So pretty much that's it. Remember, guys, you're going to need to have a premium plan for this. If you don't, it won't allow you to connect. So keep that in mind. Now, if I come back over here and I reload this page, it's reloading. All right, so it's reloading, and data collection isn't active for your website if you installed it. So once that's done, you are good to go. Now, of course, it's not over yet. Of course, it's gonna take some time for it to, properly be set up, but of course, we are good to go. What this will now do is whenever someone comes over to your website or stuff like that, they're gonna you know, they're gonna keep a track of that. Now, another thing that you can do is you can come over here onto the left side, and underneath reports, you go over here, click on reports. You will see you have your real-time recording, right? Click on real time, and over here you will get all of your data, where your website has been added or stuff like that. So let me just show you. So if I open up here a new window, so if I come over here on another window, and I open up the incognito version, and I just simply search for the website, which is thetutorials.net. So this is the website, right? And I'll just simply hover my mouse over it, spend a little bit time over it, maybe like click on this button and stuff like that. Here we go. Yeah, maybe like click over here on free ebooks, and then more products, just simply check it out, work with me, just checking it out, see how it looks like. Click on home, go back over here, contact, and all of that. Now if I spend a little bit time over here, then maybe Google Ad Tracker will track my setup or track my activity over here. So spend a little bit of time over here, just on the screen. Now let's get back to the other page. And over here, as you can see, we have a user. We have one user. This device category is last 30 seconds. All right. So as you can see, it's still over here, and we have 9. We have page views 9. We have 3 clicks, first visit, scroll, session starts, and all of that. So as you can see, it's tracking it's working. It's tracking my website. It's tracking the viewers, the information that we are receiving over here. So as you can see, it works. So that's how you add it onto your Wix website. Now let's go ahead and show you how you can add it on your Squarespace website. Okay, so for Squarespace, what you're going to do is once you've logged into your website, you go into the domain of your website. What you're going to do is come over here onto the left side, scroll down, you will see the settings option. Just simply click on settings, and over here you will have a bunch of different options. Now what you're going to do is, and then click on the advanced option down below, and then you have external API keys. So click on that, and then you enter in your Google Analytics ID. Same thing. So go back to your Google Analytics account, find your ID, the Google ID, right? Which is over here. Copy that, and then just simply paste it over here, and you are good to go. Then just simply save it, right? Click on the save button, and you are good to go. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. Connect your Google Analytics 4 account with your Squarespace account and Wix account. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.